morning everyone. My name is Saloni Rangari and today I am going to present my IoT internship project, which is a demonstration of the skills and system I developed during my internship at Immers. This project highlights the practical implementation of the embedded system and Internet of Things, that is the IoT technology. Now, during this internship, I went through four key learning phases. First one, the foundation phase, where I I learned lot of things from scratch to advance of uh, C and C++, where I've mastered C and C++ programming, data structure, and object-oriented concept essential for embedded development. Second one is the hardware integration phases, where I gain the hand-on experience with Arduino and ESP32 with a theoretical with strong understanding, and I was learned about how to interface sensor and develop real-time embedded system. The third one is the IoT implementation phase, where I integrate cloud connectivity using the Blink platform and implemented real-time monitoring and control features. Finally, the professional development phase, where includes soft skill presentation training through the Disha Ma'am's workshop, helping me building industrial and ready professional ability. Also, they teach us about resume building, what to do, what not to do, and how to apply, and all these things. Next, that is a technical skills uh, that I acquired. Through this project, I developed both software and hardware skills. On the programming side, I worked on advanced C programming, embedded C, serial communication protocol. On the hardware side, I gained strong knowledge of ESP32 architecture, sensor interfacing, LCD programming, PWM control, and IoT cloud computing. These skills help me design a complete end-to-end IoT solutions. Then, my project architecture. This project architecture is divided into four layers. Hardware layer, that is consists of ESP32 microcontroller which process sensor, data, and control output. Firmware layer contain the embedded C and C++ code that manages real-time operation and communication. Third is cloud integration layer, where I use the Blink IoT platform for remote monitoring and control. And fourth one is user interface layer, includes the mobile app dashboard that display live sensor data and allows remote control. Together these layers create a complete IoT ecosystem. Then the key components implementation. In this project, I implement several important components. A 16:2 LCD display to show the real-time sensor readings and system status. A DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor for environmental monitoring. PWM control for adjusting LED brightness and controlling motor speed, which will I explain during the simulation of my project also. Then serial communication using UART for data transmission and debugging. All these components work together under the microcontroller to form the complete IoT system. Then the development environmental and tools. For development, I use multiple tools and environments. The Arduino IDE for my main development platform for coding and debugging. Pixim Lab simulator to test my circuit virtually without physical component. As an entire project, we haven't used any uh, physical component. We worked We learn about the component theoretically as well. We have the strong we learn strong and the Blink IoT platform for cloud-based connectivity and mobile dashboard creation. Project implementation highlights. Here we had the perfect plan for our project where they given us the requirement analysis, include the definitions, goals, and selecting the components. Second one, the hardware assembly, which hardware we want to use, we have to use, uh, and how to connect it, and for which software you need to install, and all these things explained in that. Building and connecting the circuit safely, software development in which writing efficient code, modular the embedded code, uh, then last one is verifying the functionality using both simulator and real hardware. Then the Blink mobile app integration. I integrate the system with the Blink IoT mobile app, which allow remote monitoring and control through Wi-Fi. The app display real-time sensor data, control device remotely, send notification alert, and store. Uh, as the project, we haven't get any notification alert, but we can uh, implement this code, or we can make the advancement in this code so that they can also send the notification alert. Just need to small advance the project, it will send the notification alert also, and store the historical data. This enables user to monitor their IoT system from the anywhere using the internet, achieving full remote automation. Learning outcomes and achievement. From this internship and project, I achieved multiple learning outcomes, improved my technical proficiency in embedded system and IoT, which will increase my chance to get the job in this field. Strengthened my system design and debugging skills, developed a professional understanding of end-to-end IoT system development, and finally enhanced my presentation and communication skill through professional training. Overall, this project has given me solid foundation and functionality to work on real-world IoT application. And I will show the live demonstration after this, which includes the sensor data reading and display on the LCD, LED brightness control using PWM, serial communication for data transfer, and real-time update on the Blink mobile app. The entire working demo has been uploaded to YouTube for public access as a part of the internship submission. So, here is the simulation of my project. Let's see. Here on the LCD display, we shown here the temperature, we shown here the tank rating or tank, how much the tank is filled. Now the cooler status, and now this is the status of the serial tank, tank that is off right now. Okay, and here is the cooler, and here is the LEDs and LDR. LDR, this is a darkness or the sunlight. As it's high, the darkness is high, the light will on. The darkness is low, the the LED will be off. Now, how the status update here? Let's see how we can control by our phone. Okay, so this is my phone, and I switch on. Okay, so here the heater is on, the status is updated over here, and let's see the temperature of this and this. The temperature, whatever the temperature on this phone will update on this LCD display. Now just turn on the cooler. See, here the cooler is turned on. Now turn off the cooler. Yes, it's turned off and status is also updated. Now the another thing, that is the initial valve and outlet valve. It is the status of this tank. Okay, let's on here. Here is the tank status, serial remote tank. Okay, so this is the button by clicking on which it start filling out the water, we can say. If we on the intel valve, it start filling the water. See, and also the how much tank is filled, the rating shown over here and here also. It's fully filled now. Now just turn on the outlet valve. Just off it. Now turn on outlet valve. See the result shown over here and the rating shown over here on the LCD display and on the blink app. So this is all about the project. Thank you so much.